In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off auto apply in Google Ads. Auto apply is a feature which you give Google the permission to make changes to your Google Ads account automatically. For example, adding new keywords, changing your budgets, changing your bid strategies, changing your ads, and so on. So it's quite a dangerous feature to use if you don't know what you're doing. I personally don't like it at all, but whenever people get a call from Google, Google always try to push you to turn auto apply on. So unless you really know what you're doing, I'd stay clear of auto apply. I will be doing another video which shows you how to use auto apply correctly. So in this video, I want to show you how to turn off the auto apply feature in Google Ads. If you want to learn more things like this, what I suggest you do is just hit that subscribe button right now, because I do produce a lot of how-to videos on Google Ads about how to make your Google Ads more profitable, giving you lots of tips and advice. So let's get on with the show. Minimize this window. So what you need to do, you need to make sure you're in all campaigns, and then you click on settings, and then you click on account settings over here. And when you click on account settings, you'll see this option here called auto apply. And you can already see that it's already being used because it's already saying 522 recommendations. Okay, so what you do is you simply click on this go to auto apply settings option. And then you can see what are the auto apply features that have already been turned on. So for example, this one's been turned on, improve your responsive search ads. Again, I'm not going to discuss these in this video. This video is about turning auto apply off. And so for now, untick this, remove redundant keywords, remove conflicting negative keywords turned on. And look at this, you're giving Google the scope of adding new keywords. So seriously, turn that off. Adding new broad match keywords, turn it off, and then just check if any others are turned on. And then you can click the save button over here, and then click on just reconfirm that the save is pressed. So and that's basically how you turn off your auto apply within your Google Ads account. Otherwise, another way of getting into your auto apply is simply clicking on the recommendations. And if you click on the recommendations on the top left, you'll again be taken to this screen and make sure nothing is turned on. So that's how you turn off your auto apply within Google Ads. If there's anything else that you want to know about Google Ads, or how to use the auto apply feature, or even what's your experience of the auto apply feature, drop me a comment in the comments area below this video, and I will return back to every single question or comment that's posted on it. At the same time, please do remember to subscribe to this channel. I look forward to seeing you on another video. Goodbye for now.